Click on the link below to get price. The Fujifilm XF 100-400mm f/4. 5-5/6 or OIS WR lens is an impressive addition to any photographer's kit, particularly for those who specialize in wildlife or sports photography. This renewed lens combines powerful zoom capabilities with impressive optical performance, making it a versatile tool. One of the standout features of this lens is its focal length range. The 100-400mm provides excellent reach, allowing photographers to capture distant subjects with remarkable detail. The optical image stabilization, OIS, is particularly effective, enabling sharp images even at longer focal lengths, which is a blessing when shooting handheld. The lens also features a weather-resistant WR design, allowing it to endure less than ideal weather conditions. This attribute is crucial for outdoor photographers who may encounter rain or dust while on location. Optically, the lens does not disappoint. It is equipped with 21 elements in 14 groups, including ED, extra-low dispersion, and super EBC coatings that minimize chromatic aberration and flare. The result is crisp, vibrant images with excellent contrast. The autofocus system is fast and nearly silent, making it ideal for capturing fleeting moments without disturbing the subject. The build quality of the lens feels solid and durable, with a smooth zoom ring that allows for precise adjustments. However, be prepared for its size and weight. This lens is rather hefty, weighing around 1400 g, which might require a sturdy tripod for extended use. While the price point may be steep for some, the performance of the Fujifilm XF 100-400mm is well worth the investment for serious photographers. Whether you're photographing fast-moving wildlife or capturing the action at a sporting event, this lens delivers exceptional results. Overall, the Fujifilm XF 100-400mm f/4. 5-5/6 or OIS WR lens is a remarkable optical tool that can elevate your photography to new heights, proving its worth in various shooting scenarios.